is Shelby Exotics, and today we are doing something.
The paint even. In
oh yeah, it turns to yellow probably.
Turns to yellow. I go full send. Wow!
Hi guys!
This is a boring car. We're gonna YouTube this.
Yeah. Give me some.
You're pissing him off.
There goes the crowd killer. What's up, dude? They leave you home? They didn't bring you to the races today, huh? Speaking of which, let's go ride another pony. Whoa. Doesn't sound that bad?
No, it's not that bad. It's a really nice truck.
It actually is cool. Got the, did they come lowered like this?
Yeah.
The SS's did? Yeah, that's not bad. That's a train. Just go to the junkyard?
Yep.
Dude, we should jump this first.
If you top wheelie. Yeah,
Really?
it might have a little problem.
I'll fix some shit. Alright, Corey's got a new toy.
Hey Ryan! Look at the judge, fucker!
I don't know if I want to do this.
Yeah, you do.
It's sweet! Oh, that's a video. So, we're going to be giving away a $50 Fortnite giveaway ticket.
You don't even know what Fortnite is.
It's going to be huge.
It's not gonna be huge.
The only Allie won't care.
Well, you have to say stuff like, they can only be entered if they're subscribed, and then you have to do something like you have to follow me on Instagram, and then you have some, I don't fucking know.
Oh, let's do that. So you have to follow me on Instagram at Shelby_Exotics or on YouTube here. And if you're already here, I don't have to give you that web address. But in case you forget, it's youtube.com/C/ShelbyExotics.
That's kind of sad that you know that by heart.
I like Mr. Fleet. He was my football
No,
coach.
he yelled at me for no reason. That made me not like him.
I
at
highly
all.
doubt with you it was for no reason.
No, it really was!
Well,
Can you stop, please? Dude, stop. It smells so bad.
it's not even real.
That's
If you hit it, if you like it, if you don't,
awful.
be sure to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. If you like Allie.
Ha!
Open polls. Are you doing open polls?
Nope.
Nope. But we're here at the major
Open pole dancing.
We're here at the
People
open.
probably don't know what pole bending is.
Yeah,
Pole
it's
dancing.
it's when you're it's when the big girls go on the pole.
Did you see? You gotta bend around it.
The pole bends, not the girl.
How many times
Have a
did you
great
get
day.
the pole the bends in the half? I don't even know what I just said. The pole to the bend in the half. That's literally what I just said.
You gotta try to say every sentence backwards. All right, now backwards every sentence. Gotta say that. See, that's all it takes. Say have a good day, TP Karma.
I'm ready for a nap already.
What's a good name for? See, it's Roman Atwood, so it'd be Ryan away from wood. Away from wood.
Stop. Go away.
Oh, I have to go. I have to ride Jetline. So please subscribe. You've been watching Shelby Exotics. We are here at the horse show. We'll have
You
continuing.
look like you have lipstick on.
And
You
I-
better make that black and white, or else I'm going to tell you that every time. And now your subscribers are going to tell you that you have lipstick on.
Did you say good drivers?
Subscribers.
Did we show them some of the Hellcat stuff from yesterday?
No.
Allie says no. Somebody's driving a Comanche? Awesome.
No, this
I haven't
horse
seen
is
one of those in
really nice.
years. This is Ryan on Hellcat. I don't know what you're doing.
Common sense, people.
Hello, welcome to the channel. Daughter's taking the Hellcat today, so we get a little cold start going on. I don't know.
You need a key. Do I still have a key?
Come on, baby.
It's because Mom has the door open.
See, I spilled on myself. Ready? 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 10. I don't think that's how it's supposed to go. Because we're just driving.
We were just sitting in the car.
Thank you for watching Shelby Exotics. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. Hit the like button. What else do we have to do?
Comment down below.
A me fail?
Yeah, what time is it?
It's a female, only backwards.
Oh. Does that mean... What does that mean?
It means service-driven, quality-focused. All right, so that's not the topic of tonight's video, but that was a quick little snapshot of the day in the life of a girl who never gets her way.
True.
What you guys got?
No, they do.
It's a tiny baby bunny.
Who got him, Fifi?
Yeah.
Look at him. He's just...
I heard him.
Is he okay?
I
Yeah, it
hope
looks like he's
so.
just nervous right now, like he's almost
Did
hyperventilating.
you get a...
Carrot?
I'm totally
Miss Joe Jackson.
Aww. We're gonna fix you up, buddy. We'll make you better. There, he moved a little. I don't want to leave him. He's so cute.
Oh, are you going to raise him yourself?
We'll bring you back to Mama after they fix you. Did we do that last time?
No, they let him go. When
Was he
was
able to
full-grown.
sit up by himself?
No, he kept falling over.
Some racing stuff right here. Let's check that out. You're concerned? Okay, I just made a lot of noise because they had some really strong tape on here. But we got her. So we've got our gloves out, sun's out, guns out, and race cars out, gloves out. I think these are okay. They do feel a little bit tight, but let's see if they work in just a schmiggy schmug. Here we have our Hans device. So this is going to involve some modifications to the helmet, and we will get this out of here real quick. So we will take this out. We've got the helmet mounts, which I opted for the quick fit system. We'll see how this goes. Not really sure. We're going to do a full video on this as to how to install it. Let's check this guy out. I did get the Pro version. Ooh, Pro Ultra, sweet. That guy there. So, in theory, this is going to connect to some pucks that attach to your helmet. Let's check this out. Okay, so it looks like the Hans is worn underneath your safety harness here. We're gonna do this absolutely by the book to make sure that we are in cooperation with what we're doing here. So headrest clearance, we should be good there. If your Hans pushes your head forward uncomfortably, a more upright device may be required. So we'll see what kind of angulation we've got here. I think we're in good shape there, but so we did the quick anchor to attach open anchor by pulling orange strap, slip tether. Okay, there's the post anchor. Where are my anchors? Tethers and belts. touch. Okay, so I'm gonna read all this jazz and see what's going on here, and then I'll get back to you.
Dude, it's freeze!
Salt? Yeah, lots of salt. Lots of salt.